In this lesson, we are going to learn about a question from relations and functions, which is chapter 2 from class 11th standard of Central Board of Secondary Education. However, this concept can be used by any other board. This is related to relations and functions. Question number 5, subpart 1. It is from NCERT textbook, exercise 2.3. The question is find the range of following functions, and in that the first one which we are doing right now is fx is equal to, the function is given as fx is equal to 2 minus 3x, where x belongs to R and x is greater than 0. I mean, you need to decipher this entire expression. This is a set notation, and we need to understand the meaning of the entire aspect. So this function is in x, and it is expression is 2 minus 3x, where x belongs to R. R means real number. So the x comes from the domain comes from the real numbers, and x is also greater than 0. So basically, it also tells you that it is you don't need to take the negative values as a domain. Having known this, we need to know the range of this function. So what are we given? We are given that fx is equal to 2 minus 3x, x belongs to R, x is greater than 0. We know now that x is greater than 0. So, I mean, please take a note that we are starting off from an information given in the question itself. X is greater than 0. Let's multiply both the sides by minus 3. What do we get? We get minus 3 into x is smaller than minus 3 into 0. Now pay attention to the change or the reversal of this inequality out here. And this reversal has happened because inequality changes if we multiply both the sides by negative number, or even if we divide both the sides by negative number. By multiplying by minus 3, it changes the inequality from greater than to smaller than. So what we get is minus 3x is smaller than 0, and adding 2 to both the sides, we get minus 3x plus 2 smaller than 0 plus 2, which is basically minus 3x plus 2 smaller than 2. Let's rearrange the term here, which becomes 2 minus 3x is smaller than 2. Now pay attention, where has what is this 2 minus 3x? Can you take a look that 2 minus 3x is nothing but the function which is given out here. So we can write, instead of 2 minus 3x, fx is smaller than 2. Now basically what it means, my range should be smaller than 2. Fx should be smaller than 2. We have got the answer. Let us depict it on the number line. So basically, where have we got 2 minus 3x? We got fx is 2 minus 3x. Now, the range of fx shall be minus infinity to 2, and the interval is open. Smaller than 2, so the interval is open, and in an open interval, we have a simple bracket. Similarly, because smaller than 2, where all it can go, it will go up to negative infinity, and we know that infinity is always kept with an open interval. If you want to take a look on the number line, how is it depicted? So this is how you are going to depict, and you know that these empty circles tell that these particular are open intervals. Thank you very much for watching the video.